Hello, this is FASTECH. Today, we'd like to introduce a library that enables control of Ethernet-based products on Linux. The FASTECH Linux library is built with the same API structure as our existing Windows library, and its internal architecture has been designed with minimal changes for seamless integration. Before we begin, let's take a look at the key features and advantages of Linux. Linux is an open-source operating system with its entire source code publicly available. As a large-scale open-source project, it has been continuously developed by a wide range of companies and individuals over many years, making it highly reliable. As a result, Linux holds a dominant share in server environments where stability is critical. Linux provides access to a wide range of modules and programs as open-source resources. In most cases, using a Linux operating system involves little to no cost for purchase, maintenance, or support. In addition, Linux requires fewer system resources compared to Windows and can run efficiently across a wide range of hardware platforms. Now, let's go over the key features of the FASTECH Linux library. The FASTECH Linux library offers broad compatibility across a wide range of system architectures. It also delivers excellent performance even on low-spec hardware, such as Raspberry Pi. And depending on the hardware, it can achieve response speeds comparable to, or even faster than, Windows. It supports multiple programming languages, including C, C++, and Python, and provides example code along with detailed documentation for each language. The FASTECH Linux library is designed to automatically record error log history. This allows users to troubleshoot issues more effectively on their own, and also enables faster support and response when contacting our team. What you see on the screen is an example of the Linux library's log history, along with the file storage path. By default, any communication-related events or anomalies are recorded as shown, and logging settings can be configured through the library API. Next, let's take a look at the products compatible with the FASTECH Linux library. All FASTECH Ethernet-based products are fully compatible with the Linux library. The compatible Ethernet product line is as follows: Ezi-SERVO 2 Plus E, Ezi-SERVO 2 Plus E Mini, Ezi-SERVO 2 Plus E All, Ezi-Step 2 Plus E, Ezi-Step 2 Plus E Mini, Ezi-Motion Link Plus E, Ezi-IO Ethernet DIO, Ezi-IO Ethernet AD, Ezi-IO Ethernet DA, Ezi-IO Ethernet Counter. All of these are Ethernet-based products and are fully compatible with the Linux library. Next, we'll walk you through how to download the FASTECH Linux library. First, visit the FASTECH website. Click on Quick Download under the Download category at the top of the main page. On the Quick Download page, select the Linux library under Ezi-SERVO 2 Plus E. After downloading, simply extract the file. To access the Linux DLL user manual, you can also download Linux example files that are compatible with a wide range of system architectures. These examples provided by FASTECH include sample code utilizing most of the APIs required to operate Ethernet-based products. Next, let's go over the available Linux library examples for each product. First, the Ezi-SERVO 2 Plus E product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, parameter configuration, I/O signal control, jog operation, absolute and relative positioning. Additional examples include override control, homing operation, position table function, push motion, linear interpolation for dual-axis motor control. Next, the Ezi-Step 2 Plus E product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, parameter configuration, I/O signal control, jog operation. Additional examples include absolute and relative positioning, override control, position table function, linear interpolation for dual-axis motor control. Next, the Ezi-Motion Link Plus E product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, parameter configuration, jog operation, absolute and relative positioning. Additional examples include override control, homing operation, position table function, push motion, linear interpolation for dual-axis motor control. Next, the Ezi-IO Ethernet DIO product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, reading current input values, latch function verification, output pin configuration, trigger setup and operation, I/O level configuration. Next, the Ezi-IO Ethernet AD product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, configuration settings, reading output values. Next, the Ezi-IO Ethernet DA product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, configuration of DAC settings, input value control for DAC devices. Finally, the Ezi-IO Ethernet counter product line. These examples include product connection and communication check, configuration settings, counter status setup, trigger configuration and operation. Next, we'll show a demonstration of linear interpolation motion for two motor axes, using example 20 from the Linux library. Here are the specifications of the products used in this demonstration. Finally, we'll show you a demonstration using the Linux library. Here are the specifications of the products used in this demo. This demo showcases the Ezi-SERVO Plus E-bar, developed using Qt on a Raspberry Pi with the FASTECH Linux library. The program was developed and runs on a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B with 2 GB of memory, using version 1.0.2 of the FASTECH Linux library. It integrates key functions such as servo on, motor stop, relative positioning, alarm reset, and homing into a single, user-friendly GUI. In addition to this demo, many of our Ethernet-based demonstrations, featured in exhibitions both in Korea and overseas, are also operated on Raspberry Pi platforms. This concludes our introduction to the Linux library for controlling Ethernet-based products in a Linux environment. You can find product-related resources such as catalogs, manuals, and drawings, as well as demo and webinar videos on the FASTECH website. Thank you for watching.